Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's lecture, we will be going through our web development series. And now, we will be downloading some of the most useful and effective plugins for our website. Plugins are like extensions that simply add extra features to our WordPress. You can view your downloaded plugins over here, and to add more just click on Add New. You can use the search option provided here. Before we start going through the top plugins, just let me tell you that plugins can enhance the performance of your website. They can provide search engine optimization, they can provide security and backup, and much more. So let's begin with our first plugin that we will be installing now. The first and one of the best and top-rated plugin for search engine optimization is Yoast SEO. You can check it over here as well. You just have to install and then activate it. You can go through the details and check its descriptions. You can go through these documentations and then click on Install and wait for its installation to complete and then click on Activate to start using it. In our next videos, we will be using it for our website's optimization. But for now, just get all of these plugins installed in your system. Let's get our hands on the next plugin, which is used for creating beautiful forums from different templates provided. On search bar type WP Forums, and then you can check that this plugin would appear. You can go through its details and also check different templates provided, and after that, you can also install and activate to your system. After going through its details, wait for its installations to get complete and activate it. Now, let's go on to our third plugin. This plugin is Smush, and it is another most useful plugin in our list. What this plugin does is that it can compress images to reduce the time at loading images. It also takes control of lazy loading, which is basically due to network issues. You can check more descriptions here, and it basically does is resizing and compression. So it is pretty useful for websites. Perform nice. You should definitely get it in your system. Let's move on to our next plugin. This plugin is Stackable, which is used for adding extra functionalities to our block editor, also known as Gutenberg, for creating beautiful posts and adding content to our pages. You should definitely use this plugin as it unlocks more features for your block editor, and you can also check it over here so you can install and activate it. After you install and activate it, go to block editor to use it. So now, let's go to the next plugin of our list. The next plugin is WooCommerce. This plugin is a quite big plugin and would require much knowledge at using it. So we will be using it in our next videos to create an e-commerce store-based website. For now, just remember that it is part of our plugins list. You can check its specification and then install and activate it to your system. Now, let's see our next plugin. Our next plugin is for backup and restoration of web content. The name of this plugin is Updraft. You can use this plugin as it provides complete backup, restoration, and migration of data, so you must consider installing it in your WordPress for being protected from any data loss. Now, let's move to our next plugin. You can download Filebird plugin as well, which comes in handy in many different situations. This plugin simply organizes your media files by creating categories so you can activate it as well. Now, let's move on to the next plugin. The next plugin is also related to media management like the previous plugin, and its name is Envira Gallery. You can download and activate it as well. You can check it as well and install it. The next plugin is WordPress Optimizer. This plugin is used to boost the speed of our website by deleting unwanted data from our cache that we can manually or by scheduling a date and time can do it. This is the plugin that you will be installing, so you can check it out. I think it is enough for today, and we will be exploring these plugins in depth and would be using them for creating our websites. So stay tuned for the upcoming content as well. Also, one last thing, remember you can view, activate or deactivate or delete these plugins from here by selecting them. So make sure to get all of these installed in your system. Thanks for watching.